Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy S23, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this device. So, firstly, you need to install third-party application because there is no way to record calls using standard phone application in my country. Of course, if in your country this feature is available, you just need to open phone app, click on three dots, click settings, and here under voicemail you will see a call recording feature. But in my country it's not available feature, so I need to install third-party application, and I suggest you use Cube ACR app because you can use this app completely for free. So just install it. Click open, next, grant, value, allow, enable app connector, scroll down and install apps, Cube ACR, enable, allow, okay, go it, allow, yes, while using, click on the cross and cool. Now go back to the home screen, click on the three sticks button, click on the Cube ACR logo and choose keep open. And great, now all your calls will be automatically recorded, but this application can't record sounds from the internal speaker because of course this application can record calls from internal speaker if you have the root access, but if you have no root access it will pick up the voice only from this microphone. So if you want to record calls without root, and if you want to record your voice and voice of your communication partner, you need to enable external speaker mode when calling. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.